TVGN stock analysis Thursday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Right, so TVGN or Tevogen Bio Holdings has gone up 6% on Tuesday. Today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you and your family. And it's still inside this demand area, so I'll just kind of break down in a second whether I'm going to buy or not. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips. And with TVGN specifically, even right now, I'm seeing a pretty good first stage of the accumulation, which is the first break. All I really want to see is the second break taking place. And if it does, then we're on fire. And then actually I'm talking about a buy like that, like towards these targets at $3. I'm not even exaggerating, as long as there is a second breakdown. Like previously I was waiting for the exact same thing, just a little bit higher, but just never got the double break. So since now we kind of came in deeper, seems like we have this expansion up. We will see what will happen. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.